Today I want to show you the basic principle of building two drywall walls at a perfect 90-degree angle. This is a very common task in renovation and construction, but at the same time, it's one of those things where small mistakes can lead to visible problems later. So accuracy here really matters. First of all, everything starts with planning and marking. Before installing anything, it's important to clearly understand where your walls will be positioned. A clean layout on the floor and walls helps avoid alignment issues and saves a lot of time during installation. When working with a 90-degree angle, the most important thing is keeping the geometry correct. Even a small deviation can affect how the final structure looks, especially when you start installing drywall sheets or finishing the corners. The next key step is building the frame. A strong and stable frame is the foundation of the entire wall system. It needs to be properly fixed and aligned so that both walls connect cleanly and form a precise corner. At this stage, it's important to constantly check your measurements. Using a level, a square tool, or a laser level can make a big difference. The goal is to ensure that both walls are straight and that the angle between them remains exactly 90 degrees. Another important detail is how the two walls connect to each other. This connection point should be solid and well structured, because it affects the durability of the corner and the overall stability of the construction. Once the frame is ready, the next step is covering it with drywall. This part may look simple, but it also requires attention. The sheet should be installed carefully so that the corner remains clean and straight. When working on corners, it's always a good idea to think ahead about finishing. Properly formed corner will make the next steps, like taping, filling, and painting, much easier and give a better final result. Also, don't forget about spacing and fixing points. Proper screw placement ensures that the drywall stays secure and doesn't move or crack over time. Throughout the whole process, consistency is key. Take your time, double-check your alignment, and don't rush. Good preparation and careful work will always give you a cleaner and more professional result. In the end, creating a perfect 90-degree drywall corner is all about precision, structure, and attention to detail. If you follow these basic principles, you can achieve a strong and visually clean result. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this kind of content about construction and practical work, feel free to follow for more videos.